together. Oh, amazing stuff. Great aviators and aviation commanders and leaders of the United States Army, Air Force, and Sywell who were actually Spanish. Arnold, who was the chief of the United States Army and Corsair. Ira Aker. To name but three, they were all disciples of William Mitchell. Very versatile. I was talking earlier on about the need to destroy bridges and marshalling yards in advance of D-Day. Absolutely. Bombers like the B-25 and the B-26 that were doing hard yards, flying in low at 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet, bombing from very, very low heights with incredible precision. This plane, amazingly, was flying operationally until 1970.
B-25, splitting now.
Breaking weight as we start to display now. I'm honestly, people would really like me to see it flying.
B-25, there's all.
Just a sniff under 10,000 mil. Yeah, I mean, you can even see how good a maneuverable it is. I mean, it's really much more. You know, I see that and I just think of these planes flying in formation over France early May 1944, ahead of the invasion, to attack some bridge over the River Loire or something. They're coming in low. And the amazing thing is that these bombers, these twin-engine bombers like the Mitchell, destroyed every single bridge over the River Seine. Northwest Europe by the middle of April. The biggest danger to these planes flying in the months just before D-Day was really from the flank. Anti-aircraft guns down below. Of course, if you're operating at such a low height, you've got very little room to manoeuvre if anything goes wrong. But their speed and their agility certainly counted. You know, obviously it's much harder for anti-aircraft guns to hit something that's moving fast. Incredibly successful. Another major operation was Operation Struggle, which aimed from 1944 its ability to reinforce the front.
B-25 coming in for last pass.
Bridges hitting marshalling yards, and yet again, the Mitchells and the other bombers.
B-30, another circuit that we're diving in. Okay, B-25, then we'll make another wing over and then come back for landing. Seconds about 1 minute 30 plus. Oh, copy, okay. Before crew 2, check. Solid fire. B-30 information is coming in. B-25 midfield for downwind to land.
So I've just had to take a pause from the commentary, which I'm sure you'll agree is no bad thing, and take a little bit of video footage of that, because that is super special scene. It really is just a wonderful sight.
Welcome.
Now looking over to your right, in the lead now we have the B-38. Worst job in the world. He is the chief fixed-wing pilot for the Flying Lord, so he gets to fly all of the fixed-wing aircraft in Flying Lord's infantry. DC-6, B-35, the line Mustang, so he's in his job.
Radio B-25 back on frequency. B-25 right, back to parking. 5.
Yeah, 506.
Sywell, Griffin, speed for taxi. With the taxi, QNH is 1013, QFE 9 and 9 at 8 hectopascals. 998 will go along the crowd line of grass and into the backtrack at Bravo 2. Roger.
Waiting for the last photo pass. Left and out now.
It just looks fantastic. Interestingly, it's equipped with the Allison engine, the same one that failed in the Mustang. But where it didn't work, it's horses for courses, isn't it? And an engine that doesn't work in one plane can work brilliantly in another. And B38 is a case in point, really. Now, from the right-hand side, camera's ready for.
You can report final, but there's Griffins that roll ahead of you.
Space will be 30 seconds.
Spitfires right now, you're getting airborne?
20 seconds.
Check.
Spitfire's rolling, 5 seconds.
6 inside, turning final. Advising coming final.
Roger, and surface wind 24015 knots.
Mustang with the gears, number 2.
Because they were occupying the normal hills, just wanted to final to extend that round track before he comes into just down the Spitfires of the air.
Corsair, long final, gear down flap.
risk of bringing the P51 in to that?
Lightning, Texas, P3
Roger.
Touches down to your right.
Spitfire, checking.
I think you'll agree with me.
Correctly.
3,
So B, show them your appreciation.
white 2.3.
Blue 1. Spitfire, copy. Start engines for taxi at 24, if possible, for takeoff at 31, if that works.